asked for you to show about our school. Why? Because I am showing this one today. Listen, today we are going to learn about my school. Okay? Yes, once look at the board. What is your teacher name? Mrs. Shailaja, class 1, subject EVS. Subject EVS. In previous class we have completed lesson number 4, that is my body. Right? Yes, in today's class we are going to learn about my school. Lesson number 5, my school. M-Y, my S-C-H-O-O-L. School. My school. Now you should be ready with your term book, pencil and eraser. In term book, open page number 221. That is 221. That is 221. Okay children? Yes. Once look at the board, see. Once look at the board, see how beautiful pictures are there here. So I have brought for you to show you this one, and you have to know about our school. Right? Yes. What is our school name? See here, what is our school name? Kamala Memorial High School, right? Yes. Now learning objects. We'll go with some learning objects. So in this lesson, we are going to know about our school. Know about our school. So in this class, we are going to learn about our school. Yes, yes. Identify places in school. So identify places in school are parts of a school. Right children? Yes. Now we'll start with some warm-up. School is place where we learn new things. School is also called as temple of knowledge. School is a place where we know more things. Right? Yes. Once look at this one. See children. My school. My school. School is a place where we learn good things. Where we learn good things. It is also called the temple of knowledge. Is also called the temple of knowledge. We love our school. My school name is Kamala Memorial High School. So we love our school, right? What is our school name? What is your school name? Can you say? Yes, you are right children. Kamala Memorial High School, right? Yes. Now here list 3 things you like about your school. So you have to write in this dash 3 things that you like in your school. Okay? Now turn the page. Now one girl is saying about her school. So before going to lesson, just we learn about our school. Okay? We learn about our school, that is Kamala Memorial High School. Yes, yes. See the vision of our school. Knowledge is light and life. Our school vision is knowledge is light and life, right? Yes. It was established in 1972. So our school has established in 1972. Earlier it was located in Apsiguda. So earlier, so many years back, the school is located in Apsiguda. You know Apsiguda, right children? Yes. In 1999, it was taken over by the present management and shifted to Nacharam. So it was in 1999 it was taken over by our present manager and shifted to Nacharam. Then it is shifted to Nacharam. Knowledge is light and life is the vision of our school. So our school vision what? Knowledge is light and life. Light and life. Okay children? Yes. This is about our school. So you know about our school. You must know about our school. That is about your school. Where is your school? Is located in Nacharam, Hyderabad. Right? Yes. When your school is established in 1972. Right children? Everything you should know. For that reason I have shown this one everything, because you should know about your school. Right? Yes. Now we are seeing parts of our school. So parts of our school. Parts of my school are. So in our school we have parts of our school are. We have around 40 classrooms and a big playground. So we have around 40 classrooms. So from nursery to 10th we have. Right? Yes. All together we have 40 proper sanitation facilities. Right, children? Yes. So what we have in our school? We have whirlpool, big playground, classroom, right? Yes. Library we have, stationery we have, right, children? Yes. These are you should know. This is the parts of your school. That is our school. So what we have learned? We have learned about our school today. Okay? This is about our school. Now in this lesson, that is page number 222. Page number, see, look at this one. Page number 222. See, this girl is saying about her school. So now we have finished about our school. Then she is talking about her school. Let us see what she is going to say. Okay? Yes. Hello, I am Riya. Hello, she is saying that. Hello, I am Riya. Let me tell you about my school. Let me tell you about my school. She is saying that. Let me tell about my school. The name of my school is Green Valley School. The name of Riya's school name is Green Valley School. So what is our school name? Kamala Memorial High School, right? Yes, Kamala Memorial High School. So this Riya's school name, what is Riya's school name? Green Valley School. I wear this dress to school every day. It is called a uniform. So she is wearing this dress. It is her school uniform. Even we have school uniform, right, children? Yes. So when you come to school, you come with a uniform, right? You come in civil dress? No, you come in uniform, right? Yes, with polished shoes and you wear socks, neat uniform. You come with neat uniform, children? Yes, yes. You are missing that all things, right? Yes. Now here look at this. We go to school to study. For what we go to school? We go to school to study. We make new friends there. School has classroom, playground, library, medical room, canteen and stationery room. What she has in her school? She has classrooms, playground, library, medical room, canteen and a stationery room. Yes, yes. And fill in the blanks and say more about. See here, fill in the blanks. Say about your school. My name is. So you should write your name. My name. The name of school is. So here you should write your school name. That is Kamala Memorial High School. I study in class. Which class you are studying? You have to write this one. Okay, children. So this one is homework, and I will say at the end of the class I will say the homework. And here you should write my class teacher name. So you should write your class teacher name. I reach school at morning what? Which time you reach at school? You have to mention that time. Okay? Yes. Now we'll go with page number 223. I carry books, notebooks, lunch box and a pencil box in my school bag. So she'll carry. Even you also carry, no children? Yes. Books, notebooks, lunch box, snacks box, everything you'll carry and you'll come to school, right? Yes. Parts of a school. So she's saying about her school and she finished about her school. Now she's saying in school parts of my school. We learn lesson from our teacher in a classroom. So in a classroom, I'm saying the lesson for you, right? Yes, I'm saying lesson for you. She is also saying that we learn lesson from our teacher in a classroom, right? A library has many books. Library has many books. Did you see our school library? Yes, yes, we have a school library in second floor, right? Yes. Library has many books. Some library also have activity corners. We exercise and play games in playground. Where will exercise and play? In a playground, right? Yes. A doctor or a nurse in a medical room takes care of us when we feel sick and hurt ourselves. So when we hurt, for example, while you are playing games, if you got hurt yourself, then you have So she is saying about her school. A stationery room is a storeroom for pencils, pencil colors, crayons, erasers, sharpeners, rulers, notebooks and so on. So in stationery room what we'll have? We'll have pencil, erasers, scales, notebooks. Yes, notebooks, crayons, all everything we'll have in stationery room, right? Yes. We should keep our school clean. We should keep our school clean. We should keep quiet in the classroom. We should keep quiet in the classroom. So when teacher is teaching lesson, otherwise anything, so you should be very quiet in a classroom. Then teacher will say you good boy or good girl, right? Yes. Our school remains closed on Sunday and public holiday. Even our school reminds that Sunday and public holidays, right? Yes. Next on the page, that is page number 222. So here you have checkpoints. Name a few food items that you can buy from your school canteen. So now here why do we go to school? So now we are knowing about that why do we go to school? We go to school to read and write. We go to school to read and write. We also make friends. Right? Yes. We learn good manners in school. We learn good manners in a school. Teacher will teach you, right children? Yes, teacher will teach you how to be in your school, how to be in your homework and how to talk to others, elders, everything will teacher say you for right children? Yes. We play many games, so even we play many games in our school, right? Yes. It is important to go to school every day. Yes children, it is very important to go to school every day. So where teacher will teach you everything, lesson, how to write. First of all, we are going from nursery to 10th class. Teacher will teach us how to be with elders, how to write, how to read and even how to hold your pencil. Teacher will teach you, right? Yes. We learn about different peoples and place. Teacher will teach all the lessons. So what? Even maths, English, every subject we learn in school from nursery to 10th. Right children? Now you are in class 1. Okay? Yes. So from nursery you are learning many things from school. You will come at morning and you will go at evening. Right? Yes. In that from morning to evening we will have classes. You will eat with your friends. You will have lunch. Right children? With your friends you will have lunch. And you will eat snacks with your friend. You will enjoy the class very much and even you will play in your playground, right? Yes, and we will have many activities. We will celebrate annual day, Independence Day, Republic Day, Children's Day, everything we will celebrate in our school, right? Then we will be very happy. We will have other curricular activities also in our school. Every student will enjoy the school life very much, right? Yes. Now with this we have finished the lesson My School. So in this lesson what we have learned? We have learned about how important school is, how important to us. First we have learned about school. School is a place where we learn good things and it is called as the table of knowledge. So this we have learned and we have learned about our school, that is Kamla Memorial High School. And in our school how many parts of our school also we have learned. Even in textbook Riya is saying about her school, that also we have learned. Right children? So with this we have finished our lesson number 5. 21. Warm up. And page number. And one more I said, no, what I said, you should write about your school. That is, it is in page number 222. 222, fill in the blanks you have to write. 222, fill in the blanks in term book 1. In term book 1. Okay children, I hope you are missing. I think you are missing your school very much, right? Yes.